What's up, guys? It is 14 Silver X here. Hopefully Cam Studio works this time. And last time we left off, we had our AI. We're trying to make him drift. I believe last time was last Monday. And so yeah, we had some problems. So we need to fix those problems. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so we're trying to make a person drift, and the problem is that stuff's happening that we don't want to happen. And I think I've come up with a solution to the answer. And so yeah, you can't say negative 90, can you? Because negative 90 is really 270. Okay. And now the cat is from move out of my computer screen, thank you. Alright, so the problem is we want to face direction 270. So we have to set direction to negative. The problem is sometimes you won't start exactly where you want to start. For example, when you drift, you'll turn by 10, but then once you start turning by 5, then you may not get the numbers ending in 0 that you might want to get. Or if you start turning by 5, then turning by 10, same thing, because then it'll just end in a 5. And that's what the problem is here. It's not equal to 270. So there's a couple of things that we can do. We can either set this to something else, like 15. So 15 sounds crazy though, but I wonder if it would work. So right now, I am testing this out, and then I might have to go with plan B, which was not fully planned out. It was mildly planned out in a loose sense of the terminology. Alright, let's try that, even though something, yeah, Basically, I'm thinking it's not going to work. Yeah. Alright, so, direction is not equal to 270. Direction is equal, alright, it's a variable direction, blah, blah. So, what we want to say is, the problem with this thing is it's not like Java where you can say, like, if it's something mod, which means if it's divisible by something. That would be so helpful. But no, they don't have that in here, do they? Anyway, there's some stuff that they just should add. Let's see, there's like nothing. Doesn't look like it, no. So we need to keep it so that even if it changes direction quicker, it will still eventually reach this number. So that's the problem. So let's see. Because 15 would do it on its own. But then change it by 5, you got a problem. I know, we don't want 15, we want 10 back. 10! Alright, and then, so basically we want to say, if, a change in direction was divisible by a certain number, like 5 or 10 or something, or mod it, then keep turning until it is, and then you can start drifting with that direction change of 10. Let's see. This is a dilly of a pickle. Aha, I've got it. Okay. Wow, that was the weirdest yawn I heard from a dog. Alright, so you're going to copy this thing. I'm going to paste it here. You're going to copy the direction thing, paste it again. So this will make it turn 10, but first it'll turn 5, and then if it's like, oop, I'm already turning straight, don't turn another 5. Yes, this should work. Alright, so let's do the same thing. Not smaller than 180. Turn 3, going not smaller than 90. What am I doing? Couldn't I just yeah. Alright, so for those of you who are still confused about what I'm doing, hold on a moment. Alright, so here's what's going to happen. So if we keep it turning by 5s, it will eventually get to a number that ends in 0. But if it turns by 5, then it starts drifting, turning by 10, it will not get to that number that ends in 0. Instead, it will be at a number that ends in 5, causing it to just spin out and just mess up and stuff. So, we're going to keep it going by 5, but we're going to check before we turn another 5 if we're drifting to make sure that we're not already there. And then if we're already there, then it won't turn another 5, keeping it at 0, canceling that. Then it will just do this, skipping everything, and everybody's happy. Alright, now you're going to go here. You're going to say larger 0, because now we're in the positive counterclockwise section. Change that positive, positive. Then you can copy all the positive stuff, and copy. Go to turn 6, delete, then paste and say 180, delete, paste, 270, delete, paste, 90. Alright, let's see. Wait, what is wrong? This is a turn 5. It's not larger than 0. Oh. Going down, you're at 270. That is larger than 0. Oh yeah. 360. It's not larger than 360. No, wait, that wouldn't work. Look at him go, so pro. So there you go. Now we got an AI to drift, and what in the world just happened there? We'll just call that a random spin out, which is sort of good in a sense. And this car is still just going to follow the same path every single time. We just got a DeLorean. So it came here, and then it didn't know what to do. So it hit a straight 2. A straight 2. Direction is larger. No, that's going the other way. Straight 4. direction is larger than 0, which it was, go to -5. Direction is smaller than 0. Direction of 5. If it's larger than 0, go -5. If it's smaller than 0, which nothing is, so we should say not larger than. But everything's larger than 0. Oh. Okay, hold on. What is this crusty stuff, right? Hold on. That's bothering me. Okay. Where'd my mouse go? There it is. Alright, so, if is larger than 0 and smaller than 180. However, if it is smaller than 360 and it is larger than 180. Get rid of the not there. So if it's so we're going 0, so it needs to be larger than 0, smaller than 180, or it has to be larger than 180, smaller than 360. Once it gets to 0, then it'll just stop, hopefully. Let's put blocks here just to satisfy our paranoia about it not working, and we run the game. Boom, boom, ba-da-da-boo. Alright, so yeah. Now then, so let's race this other car and see if we need to like change some stuff. Enable, yes. Follow player 1. What was the drift key? I forgot. Help! Oh yes, it was shift. I'm failing, look at this! I'm being destroyed! Play your games, kids, because you need the practice. Alright, this guy is like too overpowered, or I just suck. Probably both. Yep. Look at this, he's just like... Look at that! Come here! Okay. What we need to do is we need to randomize his speed. Now you can also set levels and stuff. So, create, in the create event, we're going to set his level here. So level value 0 will be easy and 2 will be hard. So you go into the step event, alright? And you got the speed stuff here. Set variable speed to 1. Alright, this is what we're going to change. We're going to delete that. This thing has friction. So, what you're going to say is if level is equal to 0, so we're on easy, gonna roll a dice. Roll a dice. 50% chance. 3.33 something percent chance. Lower. This is lower than 50% chance. No, we want even lower than that. Hard will be 50%. percent. This will be easy. Easy will be, let's go easy will be 10. Easy, you'll set speed to 1, else speed to 0. So this will sort of randomize. It's like constantly break and stop and stuff. It's you sort of see it in Mario Kart sometimes. Like I saw in the DS, like they just slowly just inch back. So I think it's like a random launcher thing. So let's see how this works. Oh, that's pretty bad. That's too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Relative. Right. No, because then we just instantly set it back to 0. Relative to 0. Yeah, because it won't accelerate. Let's try that. Nah, friction's too great, isn't it? So maybe we need to fix this. Say 5. There we go. Friction's still too great. Alright. 3. Oh my god. 2. Better. But we're still going to destroy. What was that? Alright. Alright, so if you're easy, you're going to increase it by 3. Let's try this. Whoa! Get back here. You. Duh! Too hard. Too hard. 5. Full screen. Give me full screen. Thank you. What are you doing, you car? Alright, this is a much better. This is a much better, is what I said, not isn't. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Where is he? Is he just, like, destroying me right now? Where'd he go? Don't tell me he did a DeLorean. We need a mini-map. Yes! Let's add a mini-map. That is what we need. Alright. Mini-maps. See how excited I am? This mini-maps. Mini-maps. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to add another view, alright? This view. What is the size of the room? Size of the room? Size of the room? View. View, blue, blue, blue. View in the room, in the entire room. So take the dimensions of your room and put it right in here. Right? Right. Of course. Of course. Of course. And then you want to put it point on screen. You want to say something else. You want to scale it down a bit, maybe like this and like that. Put on screen right there. Yes. And then you want to do that and not following anything, and it's just so big. And let's try it out. I don't see it. Does anybody else see it? Oh, visible when room starts. Ah! There we go. Now you can see. So I'd say this is about a what level? This is sort of pretty hard, actually. Yeah, come here. Ooh. I'm having fun, okay? Forget the lesson. God, get back here! You red circle with a line on it. Doing the slow down technique. You see that? Yeah. Uh-oh, he's stuck. Buddy. Oop. Come on. Come on. Oop. You can do it. You can do it. Hello? Buddy? Alright, well, yeah, there's some bugs, apparently. What we should do is... Excuse me. Yes, we're going to change the collision mask. Oh no, that would be so hard. Or would it? Yes. No. Yes, it would be. Yeah, I don't really know, because when it intersects with two things, I guess the best thing to do is to not put two conflicting turns next to each other. If you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you'd have to put like a straight here and a straight here. I didn't even know how it could get like that. It shouldn't even get like that. No, yeah, because if it hits this part, it's just like that. We can probably fix that. Anyway, this is all the time I'm going to risk for today. Next time we might add some more cars, fix that difficulty level stuff, and then we'll move on to placement, items, power-ups, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to save your game. Please subscribe if you already subscribed. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.